Everybody is looking for that edge in an emergency. What if I told you it's simpler than you think? Welcome to Prepping 101. Prepping isn't about fear, it's about peace of mind. Instead of reacting to disasters, preppers prepare in advance so they never have to panic. Step 1. Adopt a survival mindset. Ask yourself, are you ready for a crisis? Next, remember the rule of threes. 3 minutes without air, 3 hours without shelter in extreme conditions, 3 days without water, and 3 weeks without food. Start prepping with what you need first. Stock up on food and water. Grocery stores empty fast when disaster strikes. Keep a 3-month supply and ways to purify water. Have a reliable power source. Solar generators and backup batteries are game changers. And don't forget emergency lighting. Solar lanterns and crank flashlights are essential. Finally, a fully stocked first aid kit can turn a crisis into a minor inconvenience. Survival isn't about fear, it's about being ready. Start your prepping journey today and visit alwaysbereadyusa.com.